So this one rotates like 10 times per minute, 20 times per minute. And this one is like 1,000 to 7,000 times per minute. I got no idea, but it's really fast. And there's a difference. This one sands pretty well, and this one sands well. Actually, I think this one works better, just because you can control it more, and it's not as aggressive. It doesn't seem to be wanting to tear the wood apart. It still removes material pretty fast. It's just, it doesn't seem as aggressive. It doesn't leave as many marks whenever you're trying to sand something. This one, whenever you're using it, you can see, while I demonstrate it, you say you turn it on and you try to set it down, it'll gouge your wood. See if it'll leave a gouge. Turn the speed up on it.